Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have my Tarte order. This is the 7 products for $63 sale that they have once or twice a year that I told you guys that I purchased. Do you want to see what I chose and what is in here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, Tarte, I believe it's one. I thought it was only once a year, but I think someone told me that they do it twice a year. So one or two times a year, Tarte will do this amazing deal where you can pick 7 different products from pre-selected products in each tier, if that makes sense. So they'll have 7 different tiers, like foundation, eyes, mascara, lips, and then they'll have several different products in that tier, and you can choose from those. So it's not like you can choose from everything from their website. It's specific items that is in that particular deal. So I guess they do it once or twice a year, and you get it for $63. And I went ahead and got all of the values if you would have bought them by themselves, so I can add everything up and tell you if this was a good deal or not. So I was going to open this up first, do the try on for everything, and then explain the products with that makeup on. But when I opened this box and I saw how nicely everything was packaged, I didn't want to dig into it first. I wanted to show you guys first. So I went ahead and did a different try on for a different video I needed to do. That's this. So I can go ahead and do this. Then I will clean all of this off and I will use everything on here and do a full face using all of these products for you guys, which I'm actually excited about doing. So let's go ahead and see all of these items that I got. Hello, Tarte. And it says, why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural. So let's see here. And all of their tissue paper, it literally says Tarte on it as well. And it's all purple. So that is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to go through 1 through 7 on the different tiers and show you what I purchased. So the first one was foundation, and you can choose from a few different types of foundation. Now, if you follow me, you know I do not wear liquid foundation whatsoever. All I wear is my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder. It's a powder. I never use liquid, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for me to try. Plus, I hear nothing but good things about the Shape Tape foundation. So I chose the Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. Now, it's really hard to kind of choose your color online, but I tried my best and I chose Fair Beige. So we'll see if this is going to match my color in a minute. So this particular thing is $39 on their site by itself. So here is the actual product. Ooh, that is pretty packaging. That is very pretty. And this is a glass bottle. It says Double Duty Beauty on the back. That is really pretty packaging, you guys. Oh, and it's a big old wand. Alrighty. I'm going to have fun playing with this in a little bit. Next was face. Now for the face, I chose, are you ready? I chose an Amazonian Clay 12-hour highlighter, which is valued at $29. And here it is right here. So here is the packaging. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-hour highlighter. And this is in the color Stunner. There was another color that I would have chose first, but they were sold out. So this was my second option. So here is the actual packaging. And the inside is like that. And let me swatch this for you guys. Look at that shine. That is pretty. Ooh, it smells like Cocoa Puffs. You crazy for Cocoa Puffs? Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. Oh wow, that does smell like Cocoa Puffs. Like, wow, that smells really good, you guys. Third is eyes. Now, I chose something else in this place. I think it was the eyeliner, because I was like, I love the gel eyeliners. But then I saw, if you scroll down, there was a palette, and I'm like, you know what? No. I'm going to buy the eyeliner separately so I can have it, which I did. And then I'm going to get the palette so I can do a full face with all of this makeup for you guys. So I changed at the last minute and I ended up picking the Man Eater eyeshadow palette volume number 2, valued at $29. And there's the packaging. And, oh, this is like a little, I don't know, that feels different. I'm not sure how to say that, but that's pretty packaging, front and back. And then on the inside, there is a mirror. Let me get that off. And then here is the colors. And I think that's really pretty, especially for all natural tones. You can definitely achieve a really nice eye look with this palette. And I'm really excited to try all this on for you guys. So this again, valued at $29. So then the next was a mascara. And I had a different one first, but since I changed that to the Man Eater palette and the eyeliner was Man Eater, I changed to the Man Eater. I like things to match. I changed to the Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara, valued at $23. And there is the packaging, which looks just like the outside of the palette. And then, ooh, there's the wand, you guys. That doesn't really smell like anything. I was hoping for, oh, let me see this one. This smells just like the highlighter. Oh my gosh, that smells like chocolate cocoa-y goodness. Whew. Okay. Next was lips. Now, lips was a little hard for me to decide because, again, you're choosing colors online, but I went with the Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, valued at $20. And I chose the color Front Row. I went with something darker, you guys. There were lighter colors, but then I'll be afraid they'd be too light. So I went with a darker color for you guys. So let's hope it looks okay. Let's see, let me go, ooh, that is dark. Okay, you wanna see this? There is that color. I'm not quite sure about that. It looks more of like a terracotta, but we'll see. Does this one have a good scent? No, it doesn't smell like anything. So there's that. And again, that value's at $20. So 6 was body and brushes. Now I chose this brush. This brush is meant for it says Colored Clay Liquid Foundation Brush. I feel like, I don't think it has to be for the clay. I feel like it could be for any foundation brush because it's just a brush. So I got this to use to swirl this in, I'm hoping. But this brush was valued at $63. So that was kind of a no-brainer. I chose the most expensive brush because the other ones were smaller, and I felt like if this is meant for foundation, then I'll use this with that foundation and hopefully it works good. But there is that brush right there. And it says Tarte, $63. That's the price of the entire package. So then you have the last is number 7, which is kit bag. So I went ahead and chose this marbled bag. And it says Tarte right there. It has a gold zipper. It says Tarte on the zipper. There's some desiccant. And the inside is all purple. And let's open it all the way to see the size. It feels nice. I like the way it feels. I mean, obviously it needs to be pushed out a little more, but that's a good size makeup bag. And I think that's really pretty with the marble, the white and the gray marble color. So there is the makeup bag. So then you can also choose a free sample at checkout. So I chose the High Performance Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, which is just on this little card. So you're not gonna be able to use a whole lot, but I feel like this, I can at least put blush and highlighter on my face when I do this full face of Tarte products. And then on the side, I went ahead and bought the Man Eater Self-Sharpening Eyeliner in the color Black. So there's the packaging. Oh, so you turn it. And then you push it down to get more product out, I guess. So there's that. And it's self-sharpening. It has a little thing in the end. So I'm actually excited to try that out, you guys. So now you got free shipping, $63. If I added up, okay, not thinking this because this was separate. I bought this separately. I paid full price for this one. $63 plus free shipping. And if I would have bought all of these 7 items on their own, on their website, I would have paid, you ready? $218. What in the world? $218. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you so I can get all of that out of the way, and then I'm gonna go clean my face and just do a full face and show you guys what I come up with and how. This is gonna be really interesting using liquid foundation, you guys. When I tell you I do not use foundation, I'm telling you I do not use foundation, liquid foundation. Okay, so there is the palette. I can definitely see a really nice look, especially being all browns. I love neutrals. You can't go wrong with the neutrals. Like, well, with me, I can't. I will choose a neutral over a bright rainbow color eyebrow. Yeah, I'll choose that over an eyebrow too. But I'll choose that over an eye look any day because I'm more comfortable with more neutral colors than wild and bright, look at me now colors. So yes. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash all this off, and then I will be back to show you a full face that I create with all of this. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Ah! Hold on.
Okay, you guys, let's try this out. And let's hope this is my color. Whoa. That's what they do? I don't know. I don't know if that's going to be enough because I've never used this before. So let's just see. I think I'm going to turn into Casper.
I think it actually blended pretty good. At first I was a little scared. I was like, whoa, I'm definitely gonna be embracing my Casperness, but now I think it blends in pretty good. What do you guys think? And this brush actually feels like it got into all these little crevices, and it's very easy to work with. I wouldn't pay $63 for it, so I'm so glad I got it in this kit for $63 total. I don't know, what do you guys think? Or was I supposed to do the foundation after I do my eyes? Whatever, we're doing the damn thing. I kind of like that. And that's very, very surprising for me to say. Like, you don't even know. Okay, let me do my eyes. That's so cute, my eyes. That'd be the cutest look I do all day. Okay, let's get in with my eyes, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lightest color and work my way through.
And oh my gosh, this smells amazing.
Okay, you guys. That is the look that I created with everything that I had received. Again, I paid $63 for $218 worth of makeup. Do I think I got a great deal? Hell yes, I sure did. That is just amazing. This brush alone is $63. And I got all of the other stuff, and I'm really glad that I got the eyeliner. The eyeliner is really, really nice to work with. I really do like that. And then the lipstick, I'm not sure if it's my color, but I kind of think it goes with the neutral tones actually. But when it says it dries, it's a matte, what was it, a lip? Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. And it is definitely quick dry matte, like it is completely dry and nothing is coming off. Like I had to scrub and I still have a little bit on my hand from the sample or the swatch that I put on my hand. So I do like that because it's not gonna get on my teeth. It's not wet at all. It's completely dried down and instantly. So I kind of like had to hurry up and make sure I didn't miss anything because when it's on, it's on. There's nothing you could do about it. So that is my complete full face look using the foundation, the mascara, the lip, put that in a finger, but that was separate, the highlighter, and the palette, and then the little sample of blush, but I normally don't wear blush, so that was just for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Again, your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know. And yeah, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it for you to stick around and see more of my videos. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.